Hi besties, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do gellac nails without a drill. I will be going through preparation, application and design. It's super cute and easy to recreate for Christmas, and I promise you will get compliments from literally everyone. So keep on watching if you want to know how to recreate this set. First, I'm gonna apply some cuticle remover gel. This helps soften the area so it becomes easier for you to push back and clean your cuticles. Please always be very gentle when doing this. Once your cuticles are looking polished, you can clean it up with some nail cleanser or rubbing alcohol. Now we are ready to measure the tips, and here I'm using the Kiara Sky gellac tips in long coffin. I promise these are so beginner friendly and easy to work with, and they fit so well that I never need to file anything down. So because we're doing this without a drill, the most effective way to prepare the tips is to use a tip primer. This one is from Gelish. It's very liquidy, so just take a little bit and start applying it and keep rubbing it in till it gets tacky, and that's when you know it's ready to be applied for a long-lasting effect. These stay on for up to 5 weeks with me, so this is definitely the best alternative if you don't have a drill. Now the tips are all ready. I'm gonna prepare my own nails, and for this I will use a dehydrator. This one is from Gelish. It's called a pH bond, followed by the same tip primer we used earlier to also make my natural nails tacky, so everything really sticks well together. After the gellac nail tips and my nails are prepared, I will go in with the Gelish soft gel tip adhesive and coat that on the gellac nail tips, making sure it's all coated evenly, and then scoop the remaining just on the edges of the cuticle area and gently press down a few millimeters away from my cuticle until I see the gel slowly filling up the whole nail. And that's when you want to flash cure. I promise this is easier than you think. Just be patient and don't give up on yourself. The more you practice, the better you get. I truly believe anyone can do this. Once all the nails are applied, cure one more time in the big lamp, and then it's time to clean up the edges. And again, it's just as effective with a file if you don't have a drill. For my base, I'm using the base extent from Pink Gellac and really concentrating on making the gap I created between my cuticles and the gellac nail tips disappear by filling it in with the gel and make it seem very natural, and also this prevents your nails from lifting. Now for the design, I'm using Lunar or Later from Kiara Sky. This is such a universal base color. I love it so much. It's very buildable and I will be doing 2 coats. For the French tips, I'm using this gel nail art in white. I got this as a kit from Amazon ages ago and it actually ran out, so I just refilled it with a white gel bottle I have from Pink Gellac. I think it's called Soft White. Now before the sweater effect, I am gonna use the Kiara Sky non-wipe top coat because we can't do this anymore after doing a sweater design. Now draw the design you like. I'm just doing a very basic one here. You can see step by step it's easier than it looks. I promise anyone can do this. Even if you mess up, just wipe away and start over. Before curing, coat your design with some translucent acrylic powder and then flash cure. The difference of texture creates the illusion of the sweater design. It's so fun to create and very easy. Just make sure you follow this step by step in the same order to really create the sweater effect. You can of course leave it as it is, but I'm gonna add some red bows. I think this is super cute and perfect for Christmas. Finishing off with some cuticle oil, and here they are, the cutest and most perfect Christmas snails. I had so much fun creating them and I got so many compliments on them. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!